Hello, hello. Today is a big day. It is the 500 subscriber celebration video. I have exceeded my first goal of reaching 500 subscribers, and I have you all wonderful people to thank for that. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming along on my freeze drying journey. It's been a ton of fun and I'm learning so much along the way. Thank you for your support and everything. It just means so much to me that I have others who are interested in freeze drying and learning about the freeze dryer just like I am. I feel like you're my people. I had said that when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a candy giveaway. I will be doing that. At the end of this video, I will tell you how to enter the giveaway to earn yourself a box of freeze-dried candy. And I said I'm gonna be freeze drying something just kind of random, wild, and crazy. So we are gonna get on with that next. The first thing I need to do is turn on my freeze dryer because I have not done that yet. That's gonna power up and I'll show you the settings I'm using. I'm resetting back to the standard settings, fast mode. I'm gonna increase this to 5 hours. I just like to have an extra dry time at a higher number so that if it happens to end in the night or something, it'll just keep drying until I'm ready for it in the morning. I'm starting this run at night, so I'm sure it'll end sometime tomorrow, so that shouldn't matter, but oh well, so I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna hit save, and then I'm gonna hit start, and we're gonna wait our 15 minutes. Someone told me in the comments that my software is out of date on my freeze dryer. Thank you, if that was you. So in my next video, after this one, I'm gonna do a video on how to update your software on the freeze dryer. I will do a full tutorial on how you do that. And I mean, I'm gonna be learning alongside with you guys in this video, but hopefully it'll help you if you ever come across this and need to update your freeze dryer.
Yay, 500 subscribers! Woohoo!
All right, I got my helper here with me today for today's wacky freeze drying run. Do you wanna show them the first thing that we got? It's right behind you. We got strawberry shortcake popsicles. These are like the best things ever, and we're gonna freeze dry them because that sounded good. Okay, and then let me get the other things. Okay, next we got ho-hos. We are gonna see if the freeze dryer does anything to those.
I love ho-hos!
And oatmeal cream pies. These were like a childhood favorite, so we got to try these. There's one more thing. Lincoln, do you remember what you guys said you wanted to freeze dry?
Milk.
Tell them.
We want to freeze dried milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate.
So that's gonna go in here too. I will show you how we prepped the chocolate milk next, and then I will grab it out of the freezer. Okay, for the chocolate milk, I am just going to pre-freeze the chocolate milk into the tray, and the easiest way to do that is to put your tray into the freezer. I'm going to pour the chocolate milk onto the tray and let it freeze that way. Because if I poured it into the tray and then try to put it in the freezer, I'm sure I would spill it everywhere. So I've been told that this is the easiest way to do it. I'm only doing one tray of chocolate milk. I'm just gonna see how this goes. It should be pretty fun. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can film myself pouring this. I'm not sure. Here is the chocolate milk. I have not done any type of liquids like this yet in the freeze dryer, so I am super interested to see how this turns out. We're gonna unpackage these and get them on our trays. All right, here's everything in the freeze dryer. We got the ice cream bars, oatmeal cream pies, ho-hos, and the chocolate milk. We are gonna get these loaded up. All right, we got them in. Lincoln, shut the door. Push and turn. Keep turning. Good. We're gonna close the drain valve and hit the continue button. All right, there you go. And we're freezing. Okay, I am super excited for this. I know it is totally random, but I asked the kids what they wanted to try freeze drying for our 500th subscriber celebration, and these were their ideas. So we will let this run. It'll probably go until tomorrow. When it's ready, we will show you guys how it all turned out and do a taste test. In the meantime, I will see you guys later. Okay, hello, welcome back. It's the next day. Our freeze drying process is complete. This has been going for 18 hours. It did the full 5, I think I had it on 5 hours, the extra dry cycle. It is ready to come out. These kiddos are super excited to see how this all turned out, right?
Hey, yeah. I want my chocolate milk.
And our process is complete. We gotta open the drain valve.
I thought water was supposed to squirt out.
Defrost.
Does the water squirt out though? Did the water squirt out?
I don't know, guys. Sometimes it does. Okay, Bria, do you want to open the door? Turn it to the left. More.
I took it out one. I took it out the bottom one.
Okay, pull out the bottom one.
So cold. Is it cold?
The tray shouldn't be cold.
Oh yeah, the trays
There's
are
the
warm.
ice cream bar.
Oh, those look super
Ooh, there's some syrup on the ground of it.
I want to put the chocolate milk.
Oatmeal cream pies.
No, it looks so yummy.
You want to get that one? The ho-hos?
I want the chocolate milk.
Well, that one's going to be kind of heavy.
I know. It's going to be It's hot. Oh, this one's cold. Huh? This tray's cold. Oh, yeah. Oh.
That looks cool.
That looks delicious.
Okay, we're just going to close this up.
Yes.
Okay, here's all of our things. These did not expand. Oh, but they feel very light.
And crunchy.
Get your tongue away, you sicko. We will be tasting these upstairs. The oatmeal cream pies seem nice and crunchy.
Crunch.
Ho-hos, excited about that.
Crunchy.
Okay, and the chocolate milk. Funny.
Mama.
Before we head upstairs, I want to give you the details on how to enter our 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to send a box of freeze-dried candies to one of you. All you need to do to enter is make sure you are a subscriber of my channel and leave a comment in the comments down below. You can either say your favorite thing that you've seen me freeze dry or give me an idea of something you want to see freeze dried. Either way will work. So comment either something that you've enjoyed that I freeze dried or something that you want me to freeze dry. And that will enter you into the giveaway, and I will choose a winner randomly, and I will be the one to respond to you with an email to contact me with your address, and I will ship you a box of candy. So, and US only. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you for following along and getting me to 500. I guess my next goal is 1,000. So when I hit 1,000, we'll do another fun giveaway. We are gonna take the food upstairs and I will show you how we are gonna reconstitute the chocolate milk. I wanna try that. I wanna also preserve it. And then we'll do a taste test of the other goodies. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this into this bowl. So this did not freeze dry all the way. It needed more time. Since this was just for fun, I'm not worrying about it and gonna go reprocess it or anything. I am gonna add water to it and try to rehydrate it and bring it back to chocolate milk. So I'm gonna add water to this and see if I can stir it up to become chocolate milk again. And then I'm gonna have the kids taste. I will let them taste it in its consistency the way it is. and then we will do the chocolate milk test, along with the taste test of all the other goodies. So here we go. What time is it, kids?
It's time.
First, they're gonna try a piece of the chocolate milk. Thumbs up. What does it taste like?
Perfect. Chocolate milk.
Okay. I've warned them that they're allowed 1 bite of each thing, so you don't think I'm a terrible mother giving them all this sugar. Okay, oatmeal cream pie, go.
I'm not in it. Mom.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're in it. It sounds like a cracker. Okay. What do you think? Good?
Mm-hmm. But the cream didn't freeze dry.
Ooh. All right, I'm gonna try a bite. Mmm. It kind of turned into like an Oreo. The cookie part is crunchy and the cream is still soft. This is actually super good. Okay, next is the ho-ho. These have chocolate, so the chocolate doesn't freeze dry. It's kind of sticking to our fingers. Let's see what else is frozen in them. Lincoln.
It's hard.
Okay, hold on. All right, what'd you think of the ho-ho? That was super good too. The cream was still soft, but the cake part was nice and crunchy. I actually think I like that texture better than the original. Next, we got the ice cream bars. Okay, kids already got those out. All right, go. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, I'm making her give me a bite. Mmm. That's delicious. Crunchy, melts in your mouth with that strawberry flavor. What do you think, sis?
That's good.
Super good. Okay, we're gonna clean up our mess. Freeze drying foods like this makes a big old crumbly mess. We're gonna clean this up and then try to turn this back into chocolate milk. But you guys enjoyed it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone likes the taste of the freeze-dried chocolate milk. Again, like I said, it could have used more time. So if you are doing this at home, definitely let it go longer than what I did. But we're gonna try to turn this back into chocolate milk.
Yeah, can I mix it?
Yeah, I'm not sure how much water it's gonna need. I'm just gonna add some.
I don't love it.
This is about 2 cups of water. Go ahead and start stirring. Just kind of mash it together. You know what I'm gonna use? My masher.
Can I work it? Can I mash it? Can I mash a little bit? Can I mash?
Okay, I transferred the chocolate milk after we stirred it into a pitcher, and I'm just gonna pour it into cups for us, for the kids and myself to try. I think this is looking great. So if you're able to fully freeze dry this and just have it preserved in your Mylar bag with oxygen absorber, you could have a long shelf life of chocolate milk. All you gotta do is add water to it and bam, you have delicious chocolate milk. So that's kind of exciting. I'm gonna have to redo this again and let it get fully freeze dried so that I can just have it on my food storage, because that is something I know my kids would definitely be grateful for. Okay, final taste test of the day. Go ahead. How's it taste?
Good. Chocolate milk. Good.
Delicious?
Yeah, chocolate milk.
All right, everyone say bye.
Bye. It's sour.
Say happy 500 subscribers.
Happy 500 subscribers. This is.
Okay, now I am like in a sugar coma. That was a lot. But that was super fun. Thank you so much for following along. Thank you for subscribing. This has been so much fun. I think I'm ready for a nap now after all of that. After this video, we will be back to normal programming, freeze drying regular things that will actually maybe be helpful to you all. But thanks for celebrating my 500 subscribers with me. If you wanted to enter the giveaway, leave a comment of something you enjoyed me freeze drying in the past, or something that you would like to see me freeze dry, and I'll possibly be able to do that in a future video. We will see you on the next one. It is going to be showing you how to update your software on the freeze dryer. Gotta go study up on how to do that, and then I will show you guys in the next video. And yeah, I think that's it. I will see y'all later.